Here are 4 foods that I eat almost every day for my gut health. Before I turned 30, I never thought about my gut. I would eat literally fucking anything. And honestly, I still eat kind of whatever I want. I started going to a colon hydrotherapist. She changed my life. Highly recommend colon hydrotherapy. It's basically having somebody give you an enema for like an hour and you just like sit and chill and talk to them while you shit. It's amazing. Anyway, I started thinking about my gut health a lot because one of my great aunts died of colon cancer. The health of your gut points to the health of the rest of your body. It's gonna be in your skin. You're gonna feel it in your heart. Every single part of your body is connected to your gut. When there's shit, literally shit, trapped in your gut, your body is not working optimally. Here are a few things that I eat to stimulate my gut and keep it clean. Kombucha, filled with probiotics, so delicious. Ginger, it activates your digestion. Coconut yogurt, full of probiotics. Bone broth, full of collagen and activates and clears up and stimulates the lining of your gut.